Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something a little different. It's the Datavideo TG-400 4K Video Production Teacher's Guide. And this isn't just some manual. It's really a fully structured curriculum, a blueprint to sort of fast-track future video professionals.
Blueprint, that's the perfect word for it. Structure. And that's our mission for you today. We're going to unpack the skills this guide actually promises to deliver. And maybe more importantly, what's the educational framework holding it all together? You have to look past the gear and see the pedagogy.
Okay, so let's dig in. The curriculum itself, it seems intensely practical. It outlines these clear and simple techniques on how to operate the equipment, but then it ramps up really, really fast to full production. I mean, we're talking about producing live video shows, like a morning announcement news show.
Right.
Plus new script writing, interviewing skills, the basics of streaming.
And what's really fascinating to me is that it doesn't just list these skills. It anchors them. The guide specifically references the IST student standards.
Oh, the International Society for Technology and Education.
Exactly. So it provides what the source itself calls a solid framework for high-impact, sustainable, and scalable learning experiences. This thing is built on a formal foundation.
And that foundation is immediately put into a professional 4K environment. The equipment they reference sets a pretty high technical bar, like it includes two PTC 285 cameras.
TZ cameras, yeah.
Right, pan, tilt, zoom. And that brings in a question for me. Why PTC cameras for student training? I mean, doesn't that remove the whole hands-on experience of being behind a camera?
That's a great question, and it speaks directly to what they're trying to teach. The 4K UHD part, that's the baseline now, is the expectation. But the PDT cameras, they teach remote control room operation. It simulates a modern broadcast environment.
Ah, so one person is controlling multiple robotic cameras.
Precisely. You're learning to use a control panel like the RMC 300A that's included. You're managing an entire workflow, not just, pointing a single lens.
Okay, that makes perfect sense for a broadcast simulation. They also list the TP900 teleprompter with a big 15-inch monitor. But if students are learning genuine interviewing skills, doesn't relying on a teleprompter limit their ability to, ad lib?
You'd think so, but not if the goal is to master all of the different formats. A teleprompter teaches that formal delivery, the timing, how to maintain eye contact while reading a script. That's a core skill.
Right, for a formal announcement or a corporate presentation.
Exactly. It's about teaching technical discipline alongside the creative skills.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting to me. The logistics. If the idea is to create a real-world mobile production crew, how does all this equipment move around?
Ah, yeah.
The kit emphasizes durability. It mentions multiple wheeled trolley-style travel cases, one for the cameras, others for the main control systems like the HS4000 switcher and that RMC 300A panel.
And that little detail about the cases, it's actually a huge insight. It suggests the curriculum requires students to learn quick setup and tear down procedures.
Oh, wow, okay.
So they aren't just learning to plug things in. They're learning asset management, mobility, rapid deployment. Skills you absolutely need for any kind of field work or even just moving the studio between rooms.
So, to pull it all together then, this guide is providing comprehensive real-world skills from script writing all the way to streaming. And it's all anchored in a recognized educational framework that really prioritizes workflow management and professional grade standards.
Right. And this brings up an important final thought for you, the listener, especially if you're in education. Consider this. This whole 4K curriculum, the TG-400, is priced at $1,299.
Okay.
Which is the exact same price that's listed for the older standard definition TG-200 model.
The same price for 4K.
The exact same price.
Yeah.
So the question to mull over is, what does this tell us about the current accessibility and just the baseline expectation of teaching 4K production standards in schools today?